guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you how to fix E20 error on Zanussi washer. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So in this case, you might be wondering, how do you fix this issue here or error here that you're getting on your Zanussi washer? So first things first, what does the error mean? So the E2 or E20 error means your washing machine is having trouble draining water. So if you see this code, you might also notice that water is still full, or in this case, your washer is still full of water after a cycle. So this issue is usually caused by one or two things here. So first that you want to do here is you want to check your drain hose. So in this case, you want to look at the back, in this case, at the back of your washing machine here, and you want to go ahead and look at your drain hose. Now from then on, you want to make sure that it's not bent and it's also not kinked or crushed. So make sure that water can actually flow freely in it. Now sometimes this happens if the washer was actually pushed too far against or hard against the wall during the installation or while moving it. So just make sure that water can fully drain from your washer. So make sure it's actually in a pretty good position. Now, another thing that you might want to do here is ensure that it's actually in a proper height. So the drain hose pumps water up and out, but the pump has limited power here. So if your drain hose is too high above the washer, so for example, it's too above here, it's too high enough, and your in this case, your pump will have some trouble pumping out water. So make sure you're using the hose that came with the washer as well. And again, you want to make sure that it's in a proper elevated position. So if you have it too high, maybe put it down a little bit here and see if that solves your issue. Now, also you might want to check the drain connection here. So where the hose connects to the drain pipe. So it should fit snugly, but not too push too far down, no more than 6 to 8 inches. So in this case, make sure the connection isn't sealed off completely, and there should be some air to allow proper water flow. And also you might want to inspect your drain pump here. So in this case, your drain pump is usually inside your washing machine here. But in this case, I would recommend just call a technician or professional that could actually check this one. Maybe a lot better if you contact or try calling Zanussi here if they could give you a service in fixing your washing machine. But yeah, so those are the things that you could try here to solve this issue. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.